Hi there, it's Mark Vinciguerra. I want to show off the VJ. This one here is for Rodney in Jacksonville and Rodney Thomas. And this guy is Olympic white, an old classic color from the 60s. The blue pickguard, well, basically the white and blue theme. We've got blue dots on it, a little hard to see in the light sometimes here. We've got the Ultra Lamb blue and black neck. And we painted the headstock same as the body, which is pretty cool, but I wanted you to hear it. This is both pickups flattened out, Bartolini J's, and a 2-band preamp in the back. Got a really nice tone for slap stuff, the finger. And let's roll it to the back pickup, give it a little bit of bass. And then the front pickup, roll the treble back. And that's about it, folks. I love it. I think this thing sounds great. That's it. All right, well, I'm fixing to post up some pictures, and Ronnie's going to be here this weekend, I believe, so peace out.